Hi, everyone from the Speech Solution. This is Melvin the Monkey, a hybrid activity for green screen distance learning and in person. And these are all of the backgrounds that you get with this activity. There are 11 different backgrounds, and they work on 9 different skills and concepts. And remember, anything that you can do for on a green screen learning activity, you can also do in person because we give you all the instructions and all the printables to use for in person also. So just keep that in mind. And of course, you're going to get our four therapy cards, 2 articulation cards that work on 11 different target sounds, and then 2 language cards that work on 5 to 10 activities. Okay, so this is our first background. And in this background, you're going to be feeding a monkey. We know how much kids enjoy that. And so you're going to be able to put things into the monkey's mouth. And you would use this background for articulation skills, early language skills, and vocabulary expansion. So one of the samples that we give you for early language skills, and again, remember we have our articulation cards here that you can use, are these different phrases. My monkey is hungry. I want to help my monkey. Put the, and we give you a bunch of big pictures to use. Put the metal in the monkey's big mouth. Eat the metal, monkey, and they can feed the monkey. Okay, so that's some for early language skills. And then if you're going to use this for articulation skills, we have some very specific sentences that we write out for you. And let me give you just an example of 3 different sentences in the initial position, so you can get kind of an idea of how this works. So if someone was working on G, initial position, they would say this before they get to feed the monkey. This goofy guy wants me to give him something good he can gobble up. So 5 different initial G sounds right there. J, initial J. This jabbering monkey with big jaws wants juicy junk food to eat. So there you go, 4 different initial J sounds. And then initial K. This monkey comes when I call him and he can catch food in his king-size mouth. So 5 initial K trials right there for them to use. Okay, so that's how you would use this for just specific articulation skills, or you can use the same background for some description. So what you would do is put up some different pictures back here on the board. Here's a sample of some of them. And then you can use this little monkey. We'll put him over here. And you can say, hey, the baby monkey is whispering something in my ear. He knows what the big monkey wants to eat. Let me tell you what he's saying. He wants something to eat, something that keeps your hands warm. Oh, do you see anything up there that keeps your hands warm? Ah, I see it too. You're right. He wants to eat the mitten. All right, so tell the monkey, monkey, eat something that keeps your hands warm. And oh, he ate it. So you can have this little monkey come back and whisper again, something else, something that's quiet, that's soft, that eats cheese, and then the kids can find it. Okay, so that's a sample of how to use that for descriptive concepts. And then you can also use this background for categorizing. So what you would do is you would give the kids a category, like we're only gonna feed the monkey things that go on your body, all right? And then you're gonna show them something. So let's look at this. A mustache, does that go on your body or not? It does. Look, it can go on your body. So we can feed the monkey, say, monkey, eat the mustache. It goes on your body. And then you can show them something else. Okay, what's this? Meat. Does meat go on your body or not? All right, so it does not go on your body, so he cannot eat the meat. So you go through like that and just name different categories. Some of the categories are, things that have the color red, things you can hold, things that have the K sound in it, so you can do all kinds of categories. We give you lots of examples. Okay, so those are the things you can do with this background. And then our next background, we use this background for spatial concepts. So what I would normally do is have some things like sticking out in different places. You can hide them around. And you can work on a very specific position here if you want. So I would say something like, you know what? The monkey is missing a lot of his things. He was swinging through the trees and they all fell out. And so we need to look around and see if we can find his stuff. Look in the jungle. Do you see anything that might be the monkey's? You see something right here? Oh, where is that? Where is it? It's between, the Jeep and the vine. It's between. Let's pull it out. Let's see what it is. Good job. Whoops. Look, the monkey lost his mirror. Where did you find this mirror? Yes, between the Jeep and the vine. Good job. All right, do you see anything else? What's this over here? Let's see. Oh, look, it's a magnet. Where did we find the magnet? Yes, it was between the volcano and the trees. Good job. So you can continue to hide things, have the kids hide things in all different places in the jungle to work on spatial concepts. All right, the next one, we use this background for object use or object function. And so you can say, we're gonna look, the monkey has hidden some things behind these leaves. Let's see if we can find them. So let's look over here first and let's see. Let's look behind this leaf. What is in here? What? Look at this. Milk. What do you do with milk? And then they can tell you, you drink it, right? You use it with cereal, whatever you want to do. Let's look over here. Let's look behind this one. Is there something behind this? Did the monkey put something here? Oh, look, meat. What do you do with meat? And then of course you can keep going through and having them tell you the function of all the different objects that you find. All right, and then this screen we use for negation. So you're going to hold things up and ask the kids if the monkey can eat it or can't, if he will eat it or won't eat it, okay? So you say, all right, look what I have here, a mouse. Will a monkey eat a mouse? He will, okay. So we're gonna put it in there, say, monkey, eat the mouse. Good job. All right, what about this? A mop. Will the monkey eat a mop? He won't eat a mop. It would get stuck in his throat. He won't eat the mop. So we're going to put it over here under won't. Say, the monkey won't eat a mop. All right, what about some money? Will the monkey eat money? Can he eat money? He can't. Say, you can't eat money, monkey. He can't. All right, good job. You can just go back and forth and categorize everything and put the things that what he will and what he won't eat and what he can and what he can't eat. All right, and then our last background is for questions. And there's two different ways that you can do this. Oh, let me take these down. Let's get these down first. Okay, so the monkey is going, each time the kids answer a question, then he's going to go and grab a banana out of the trees. And so you can say, hey, what do monkeys like to do? And they answer that and he grabs a banana. Who takes care of monkeys? And they grab a banana. Where do monkeys live? They answer it, he gets a banana. When do monkeys sleep? How do monkeys swing in trees? And why do monkeys eat bananas? So he gathers them all up and eats them all. Or you can do it just the opposite, and he has all these bananas and he's going to hide them in the trees. Each time they answer a question, he hides a banana into the tree, just like that. Okay, so this activity can be found on the speechsolution.com. Go get yours now and have fun.